All right, guys, we're gonna look at some Hyundais here, and I'm gonna show you the pricing from the base model, 34,000, all the way to the top of the line model. And let's look at the car. Yeah, this Santa Fe, it's got that funny ET I want to go home look to it in the front, as well as the back. I don't know what they were thinking with these headlights, but that's what it has. They got it where you can put a tent up and carry luggage and whatnot. This is nice. It's nice. I'm not going to put it down until I can get in it and see if I got enough room, because it's definitely got some leg room, and see the back seats are down. And it's got a third row in here. Okay, so yeah, you're going to need that extra room. But that third row, buddy, looks tight. You know, I couldn't really offer it to no one. This is only when you need it for kids. You know, because it takes too much up room for back here for luggage space. You know, you really need to know this vehicle if you're gonna buy it. And this thing here should be gas. Yep. So it offers, like I said, as a matter of fact, I wanted to look at this back. Yeah. So it gives you the ET look. What you see that? With the tail lights, the Santa Fe. I mean, it's a nice vehicle. You have to get used to those lights, you know. But for the price range, I would say, hey, yeah, for a mid-sized vehicle, you know, it's still a Hyundai. Because this one over here is the XRT. And then you have this one. You know, this is the Palisade XRT. And let's see what we got here, from 37,000 all the way to 54,000. So, I mean, it has what it has. Ooh, there's copyright music. So let's get moving. This thing here is more of a luxury style, I would say. And it has a third row. The seats in here are nice. But what I'm looking at in here, this gentleman sitting here, it's mid-size. It's adequate for space, you know. But you get back over here with that third row, you have to let that down so that you can have luggage space. And third rows are nice, but they're not in every vehicle, you know. But at least when you deal with this thing, you're not dealing with ET. It's a really nice look to it. I mean, it's a really nice vehicle. You know, this Palisade. But, my God, you know, everybody got a mid-size. You won't know what you want until you actually get it and test drive. Later, guys.